beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Gina Amon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make no oven needed, no yeast, no baking powder. This thing is so delicious, easy to follow, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Just look at this is beautiful. Not just beautiful but delicious as well. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in eggs followed by water, then sugar, oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. I then added in vanilla extract, baking soda, and then I'll mix all these ingredients together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Once it's well combined, go ahead and add in the flour. So the flour, I didn't add it to it all at once. 1 cup at a time, mix till well combined, and then I'll add in the half cup. So I used 1.5 cup. Like I said, I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section. So please, if you want to know the exact amount that I used, just go to the comment section or the description box below. You'll find out there. So once everything is added, knead it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't exaggerate, and then set it aside. So this is what you're looking for. It should be a little bit sticky, but it shouldn't be that sticky as demonstrated in the video. This is what you're looking for. Set it aside. When done, go ahead and preheat your oil. So let it rest for about 5 minutes, which is optional if you want it, or can go ahead, preheat your oil. Go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. Transfer the dough on your work surface, and then go in with the rolling pin. So what I like doing is to flatten it with my fingertips a little bit before going in with the rolling pin. It helps it to like at least be a little bit level. Go in with the rolling pin and roll it. The thickness should be around 6 to 7 millimeters. So go ahead and shape it in a square shape. Take off the excess and then divide it into stripes, into long stripes as demonstrated in the video. So I don't know the exact length depending on how you roll your dough. So please just follow the steps and then cut it as demonstrated here. Just look at it. You can cut it any shape, or you can even make yours in squares, but I prefer like slicing it a little bit. This is delicious. It's very simple to make, trust me, and it's so delicious. So this is what you're looking for, guys. Eyeball it and cut it how you want it. At the end, it's all going to the frying pan and fry it. Sometimes you're looking for a good presentation, that's why you have to follow some steps. But sometimes me, when I'm doing it home without making any video, I just go in with a knife and then cut it anyhow I want it. But if you want like showing it to you, I have to at least make it a little bit beautiful, you understand? So once the oil gets hot, add in this amazing snack and then let it fry for about 7 to 10 minutes. Should be fine. So let it fry on a low flame and then let it cook slowly. Fry slowly until it darkens up. It gets to golden brown color, and it's beautiful, guys. Just look at it. This is amazing. Not just amazing, it's beautiful and it's delicious. So stay close to it and keep turning it until it's ready. Look at it, guys. Just look at this. This is beautiful. It's beautiful and it's delicious as well. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comments section, please. You don't know what you're missing, just try it. You need few ingredients for this amazing recipe. So when you get to this point, it's ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this amazing recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up. Share. Please don't forget to share. I don't know why you guys don't like sharing my videos. I beg you, If I have to beg you to share my videos, please share. Keep sharing my videos. Keep supporting Jinamon channel. Let's grow up this amazing channel together. Love you all, guys. This is crunchy on the outside, soft inside. Like, it's very crunchy. Like, you will love it. See you till then. Bye bye.